Hello and welcome to our first Music Reading for All Wacky Warm-Ups #1 promo. We are beginning with the conductor score page 1 here. We also include a set of suggestions to conductors and players. As you begin, we assume that you're starting in the first few weeks of school, and we have suggestions for most all instruments. A few we suggest private lessons, unless your conductor majored on double reeds or French horn or has great knowledge in those areas. This is not always possible. There are sources of information and great players on the web and on major symphony sites. Our big concern is producing sound, and the directions here on this sheet for you on how to do that, and your director will instruct you specifically. But as to breath control, we show two measures even at the beginning, but that's not what you're going to be able to do. You're going to take a breath somewhere around 1 to 2 beats or at the bar line in the first measure. It may take you 2 to 4 weeks, especially flute players, to get all the way through 8 beats at a moderate tempo. Now, this tempo is a little fast for percussion, so the recording you may need to slow down your own playing at home or play with the metronome, set the tempo slower. This is actually set at march tempo, 120 beats a minute. Which will help the wind players get through, but it may be a bit fast for percussion. You will hear 8 clicks, and then take a breath, no earlier than the 4th click, no later than the 8th click, and start playing together on beat 1.